Alright, making another update video. As you can see, we're still blocked in the driveway. They have like a lane and a half now plowed, and they're plowing it with the payloaders like you saw last night. But yeah, now we got like a 5.5, 6 foot wall around our entire driveway. Looks kind of cool. Now we're working on the roof, because that's a problem. It's actually my room right there. Yeah, so apparently the National Guard's supposed to be here, bringing in some extra equipment like other payloaders and probably some big dump trucks to transport snow, because one of the problems they're having is they don't know where to put the snow. There's just too much of it. As you can see, there's just, it's insane. So. Hey. Alright, so now that I actually have stuff on, take a walk in the back, cleared it out a little better. There's the shed again. Here's the neighbor's house. It's pretty bad. Getting snow off the roof. Apparently it's not that bad up there. It's just the big hang part. It's the snow or the wind pushed it over. Kind of like that. It's crazy. But yeah, we had to make a little path to get to our exhaust vent so we didn't suffocate with carbon monoxide. Luckily there's no leaves on the trees this year. Like a few years ago, the October storm, trees were just falling down because there's still leaves when it snowed. But yeah, that's pretty much that's what's going on. So, I mean, every non-essential personnel has been told to stay off the road. And actually just saw a police officer walking to work, and one of the fire chiefs picked him up, which is cool. So yeah, everyone's stuck. It's not just a couple of people. So yeah, alright. Yeah, if you're in Buffalo, stay safe, stay warm. The news said don't go outside because it's still cold. And I can attest to that. It is still pretty cold. So, alright. Peace, everyone.